There is a memory held in the silence between words, a knowing that when many hearts turn toward the same focused flame, the world shifts. Long ago, this was practiced in temples and moonlit groves. Today it happens across screens, across time zones, across the veil. In recent years, a woman named Lynne McTaggart rekindled this truth through what she called the intention experiments, groups of strangers focusing together, and the world responded. Flowers bloomed faster, pain vanished or quieted. This is not metaphor but measured change. And now this video becomes a continuation of that remembering. A digital experiment, a virtual ritual, reaching across great distances in time and space, a living field of alignment, seeded by intention, grown by presence. Before we begin, let us attune, breathe into your heart, evoke the feeling of love, call to mind something you love, someone, somewhere, something simple. Let that love rise within you. Now hold this intention. This gathering holds a single intention to restore the body's wisdom, to awaken vitality, to remember radiant health. Feel it as if it has already happened. No reaching, no hoping, just remembering. Let the vision arise and rest inside it. Know this, others are with you now. Their focus, their hearts are humming beside yours in this shared frequency that exists beyond the limits of time or space. We are not separate. We are the current. You may begin. The field is alive. The experiment is already in motion. As you watch, as others watch, as more viewers join, this intention strengthens, multiplies, echoes outward. All who have ever participated benefit from this building of momentum. You do not need to try. You need only to agree. Agree to focus. Agree to align. Agree to be carried. Agree to add your quiet spark to the flame. And in doing so, you enter the current. You are not alone. You are now held in a collective resonance. Let it flow through you. Let it grow because of you. Let it return tenfold to you and to all who have helped grow this field. You can come back to this as often as you like, even daily, to consciously add more energy and clarity to this intention. This field, this energy bubble, remains across all realms, time, and space. You are now a part of it, linked to this powerfully set collective intention.